In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious pineapple milk recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of pineapple, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of ice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of sugar. In a blender, we're going to add in the pineapple. Add the sugar, vanilla extract, and the heavy cream. We're going to blend this until it's completely combined. Once blended, we're going to add in the milk, and the ice. Blend until the ice is completely crushed. Pour into a cup. Our pineapple milk is complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.